In this new video series, we are going to unlock the secrets of our $1 million course creators by going through how to upgrade your course and earn more money per student while delivering an unforgettable experience to everyone. Let's do it. What is going on, guys? It's Scott coming to you live from the SamCart studio here in our Washington, DC office. Shout out to my course creators out there, because at the end of this video, I want to know if you think what I'm going to show you is going to work for you. So let's get started with what you're currently doing as a course creator. And there is a very likely chance that you are running what's called a self-guided course. It's pretty much everyone's default. You create your lessons, you publish your course, and your students buy whenever they want. And it's the classic make money while you sleep, because that's literally what happens. You go to bed, someone in Germany or Pakistan or Canada or Mexico or anywhere around the world can buy your online course, and you wake up with cha-ching, some money sitting in your account. There's very little interaction, nothing really demanded from you, whether you have 1 student or 1,000 students, and that's kind of cool. However, it's passive income, but a little bit too passive for my taste. We want to maximize your course business. We want you to have a deeper impact on your students, and maybe you're like us, we want your students to finish the course so that they get the results they're after. And the dirty little secret in the course world is self-guided courses rarely get finished. So what is the answer? How do you get your students to complete the course and have more of them hang on to what it is that you've sold them? Well, that's where the idea of the Cohort course comes in. Cohort courses are the next level, a premium upgrade that's going to take your course business to new heights. But what is a cohort course? A cohort course is a moderated online course where you and a bunch of your students go through the course together as a team. So instead of leaving your students to get lost in the woods on their own, you are bringing them a map, a lantern, the compass, and you are walking through it with them. Everyone arrives at the finish line together, and this means that more of your students are going to see the results at the end of the process. You have a bigger impact, your students are more thrilled, and you have an opportunity to grow something much, much bigger. Now, the most common way that you see this is with courses that start every month on the 1st. So during the month of October, your students are all signing up to start with the next cohort on November 1st. SamCart seller Faster Way to Fat Loss has scaled their business dramatically by doing exactly this, selling 6-week cohort classes where all the students get personalized attention during their time going through the course. And as an added bonus, a guided version of your course is a killer way to grow your sales and make more money. Imagine selling a self-guided version of your course for $50, but then offering a premium guided version as an upgrade that's $150. If just 3 out of 10 people take that upgrade, you have just grown your sales by 60%. What would you do with 60% higher sales tomorrow? What would 60% higher sales do for your life and your family and your dream? And on that note, make sure that you check out this video right here to see how easy it is to let your customers choose different bundles or tiers of your own course when you sell to them with SamCart. But cohorts are not without their drawbacks. It is time consuming for both you and your students. As the course creator, you will have to deliver on actually providing whatever level of service that you promise. Thankfully, there are a lot of very easy ways to provide that level of service that are very, very simple to get set up now. The most common ways that we see this happening is having a private Facebook group, or doing live weekly Q&A calls on Zoom or Google Hangouts, or even just spinning up a private community on Slack or Discord where all of you and your students can chat together. And since you're on limited time, you have to work in waves. Class number 1 starts at the beginning of January, and class number 2 can only start once class number 1 finishes the whole thing. So there's planning and time management to consider there from your end as well. But all that said, a cohort-style course is a wildly profitable idea for you and insanely valuable for your students. So be sure to stay tuned for the next part in this series, where we're gonna go and take a deep dive and explain exactly how you can take your current course and take it to the next level by upgrading it to a cohort course. These tweaks can multiply your bottom line and generate that beautiful word of mouth style growth. So stay tuned, that new section is coming your way soon. And for now, I want you to go in the comments and let me know, what are you working on right now? Is it a course? Is it an ebook? Is it a new service for your clients? What are you focused on scaling today? And speaking of scaling, if you want to see what is possible when you have the right tools in place with your own digital courses, then check out this interview that I did with Abu Fofana. Abu is a killer marketer and sheds some serious light on what goes into him growing his own course sales to 7 figures and beyond.